Hi, this is Carla from Carla's GlutenFreeRecipeBox.com. Today I'm here to show you the texture of my new gluten-free, this one's also dairy-free, you can make it dairy-free or not, chocolate banana bread. And this is the texture. It just finished cooling. Moist, chocolatey. Definitely note the banana flavor as well. It has miniature dairy-free chocolate chips in it and walnuts. You don't have to put either of them in if you don't want to. Anyway, check out glutenfreerecipebox.com for the recipe with the membership.